Hello, everyone. Welcome to CY Group channel. This video is part 4 of AutoCount Accounting Fixed Asset Plugin. The first topic in this video is Asset Transfer. To access the Asset Transfer function, go to Asset Register, then Asset Transfer. Click Create New Asset Transfer to generate a new asset transfer record. To select the fixed asset you want to transfer, click the plus icon. Asset transfer number, the number of the asset transfer document. Reference number, your reference number. Transfer date, the date on which the fixed asset is transferred. Description, briefly describe the purpose of the fixed asset transfer. To view all assets in the list, click Search without entering any keywords. To transfer a fixed asset, select its checkbox and click OK. The Select Fixed Asset will show up. Enter the information for from and to. After filled up, click Save to confirm the asset transfer. You can partially transfer assets with Asset Transfer. Click the ellipsis button in the Quantity column and select the items to transfer. In this case, you can only select a single item. After clicking OK, the selected quantity will show. After clicking Save, the asset transfer is created and appears in the listing. If you want to preview the report for the asset transfer, click Print Asset Transfer Listing. To get all data, click Inquiry without using any filter options. To get more specific data, use Filter options, and then Inquiry. After you clicked Inquiry, the result will show in the listing. Tick the checkbox to select the document, then click Preview to select the report format. The selected report format will show in the preview window. Click the Print button to print the report. Depreciation posting is another topic of this video. You can access it by going to Asset Register, then Depreciation posting. Fixed assets should be recorded in the General Ledger's Asset Control account, and reconciled with the fixed asset values by posting journal entries as needed. The following accounts should be created in your general ledger: asset code, accumulated depreciation, depreciation expense, and gain or loss on disposal of asset. In depreciation posting, you can use criteria to get more specific data. If you don't enter any criteria before you click Inquiry, you will get all data. Click the plus icon to drill down into the depreciation details. Let's talk about depreciation details. The first is the cost section. In the cost section, there are cost brought forward, add, disposal, and cost carried forward. The cost of assets created in the current financial year will show in Cost, then Add column. Example: current financial year is 2022, from 1st of January to 31st of December. For assets created in the financial year 2022, the cost will be shown in Add column. If you inquire after the 31st of December, 2022, the cost will be brought forward to the next financial year and shown in the Cost Brought Forward column. Example: for assets depreciated and created before 2022, the cost will be brought forward to Cost Brought Forward in 2022. The cost carried forward equals cost brought forward, or add minus disposal. The unit cost will be reversed after disposal. Next, depreciation section. There are depreciation brought forward, year to date, add, depreciation carried forward and disposal. For depreciation brought forward, the system will use the accumulated depreciation brought forward from asset opening. This value will remain the same for the current financial year. For the next financial year, the depreciation brought forward will be different. The accumulated depreciation value will be added to the depreciation brought forward from the current financial year. Year to date is the sum of depreciated value, for every month includes current month's depreciation in current financial year. The value from asset opening maintenance is actual depreciation. Year to date will be added, if there is any value in year to date opening. The depreciation of current month will show in Add column. Depreciation carried forward is the accumulated depreciation will be carried forward to next month. When the quantity of an asset is 1, the value of depreciation carried forward will be 0 after disposal. However, when the quantity is more than 1, there will be a depreciation carried forward value for the remaining assets, so that they can continue to depreciate. Continue to net book value section. If an asset has been depreciated before the current financial year, the net book value of the asset will be brought forward from the previous financial year. However, if an asset was created and depreciated during the current financial year, there will be no net book value brought forward from the previous financial year. The calculation to get net book value brought forward is unit cost brought forward minus depreciation brought forward minus year to date. There are two possible reasons why the carried forward value is 0. First, the asset residual value is 0, which means that the asset has already undergone full depreciation. The second possibility is, the asset has been disposed of. The carried forward value is the net book value of the asset carried forward to the next month. The net book value will be carried forward to the next month until the asset is fully depreciated, at which point the carried forward value will be equal to the residual value of 1. To post the depreciation for an asset, select Save and Post to Journal. A prompt will show up, click Yes to continue. The result of the journal entry will show up. The status of posted will change to Yes, once the posting is done. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.